been on the back foot for the last half an hour or so.
This is some very fine footwork and court speed from Federer.
Oh! Hello!
Oh, majestic.
Driven that through with pace. Wasn't that far away from Tsitsipas' body, but...
This is just brilliant now.
Superb stuff from Federer, rock solid. And able to produce the goods when it really mattered.
Algunas dificultades con el sonido, va y viene.
La semifinal de ayer entre Johnson y Roger Federer.
Federer, sí. Ganó Roger Federer en 1 hora y 6 minutos, 6-2.
There you go. That's beautiful. Because, you know,
Another illustration of how well Federer not only is moving but hitting the ball.
Oh,
yeah, Federer.
Sensational.
Strenuous game.
Oh boy, got off a depth charge of a forehand there.
The power doesn't faze him.
Winning forehand for the break of serve. And
Nádhera. Asi nejlepší backhand, který dneska vystřihnul Federer v O2 aréně. Přitom po returnu přestal hrát, myslel si, že to bude out.
Just floated onto that ball.
This may not have been purpose behind the previous one, but certainly a lot of intent here.
There's the oil painting of a backhand that is so synonymous with Federer.
Everything just going Federer's way, and then having the ability to change the direction of the ball and hit the backhand so cleanly. Everything working for the world number one.
It's beautiful how he took over that point. And it's rare that you see a fist pump, a fist raise like that from Federer, but it was brilliant, and Davydenko's got to smile this off because he was facing, he thought he was creating